Big Herc 916, muscle up. This is my car channel where I talk about nothing but cars. And today I'm at my friend's shop, Vladi, and this guy specializes in European cars. I know typically I talk a lot about muscle cars, but this shop has done some really good work to some of my cars, and I want to kind of share with you guys what he does, because this guy, he knows his shit. And we're gonna take a stroll. Tell the people a little bit about what you got going on here at your shop.
Hey Herc, so my name is Vladi, as you guys figured it out, and this is my shop. It's called VRV Auto Repair. We specialize in repairs for European cars. And today we have two Porsches here, both of them exact same issue, very common. We have the broken gearing on the convertible top. So customer actually wanted us to basically rebuild and replace those for him so they can use the convertible tops. It's a very common issue on pretty much every Boxster in between 2005 to 2012. One of their major issues, and if you want to come to the cars, I'll show you a little bit more about it. So this one is in a process of...
What year is this one?
This one is an 05.
Oh wow, and you had to pull the whole dash out, huh? Underneath.
So this one had also some electrical issues. Airbag lights. We had to completely reprogram the module on it to get the airbag lights to disappear, and we also needed new relays for the convertible top molder. We're still waiting for the custom gears, which are going to be brass, and that's gonna prevent them from ever breaking again. But since the other one's a little bit more open and it's kind of in the process of the gearing being removed, you can see the one gear still on the car, and you can see the other one off of the car and what it basically entails. So very first thing you do is you set convertible top into service position. We have a little prop to just support it up so it doesn't fall, and this one has a little bit more of a damage to it because even after it broke, the people tried to keep operating it. So those are also going to be brand new pieces. Something that is also very common to those is they're breaking those plastic pieces. We're going to also update them to metal. This is fairly uncommon for him to actually bend the transmission rod, but apparently it does happen. So this thing essentially sits on the side here. When the transmission is in the car, you have it connected to this support, which is actually extendable. It's just pretty hard to extend, so we won't be showing you that now. And this is what moves your convertible top up and down.
Huh.
It's a very simple and typically reliable solution, but some of the plastic designs in those
Just eventually break off, huh?
Yeah.
And these cars, are they similar in mileage?
They're pretty similar. I think both of them are way under 100,000 miles.
Oh wow.
So it's a very, very common issue. We've done it a lot of times. I can't even, I've even lost count on them. It's not something that, the difference is this one's a little bit newer and has a different gearing design than the other one. Basically, all those...
So that's a Boxter S, and this is a Boxter S also?
They're both Boxter S.
Okay.
Essentially, the convertible top does not really change depending on the S or the base model.
Okay.
They're essentially the same thing as far as the convertible top.
And now, other than that, how's the reliability on these cars?
Reliability, Porsches are actually pretty good outside of some minor issues, oil leaks. In the first years, they had coils that would crack, but that's easily fixable. It's nothing major. Engines and transmissions are typically very solid, and if you're lucky to have a manual, you're probably never going to have to worry about it.
And these aren't manual though, huh?
No, they're both Tiptronic
Okay.
transmissions.
So if you were to get one of these, it'd be better off getting a manual.
Definitely.
Yeah, you can find one, huh?
Unfortunately, nowadays a lot of people can't drive a manual, so this is the way to go.
Yeah.
Not my favorite transmission, the Tiptronic. They still have their own issues, but in terms of reliability, they are reliable. I cannot hands down say that they're, complete garbage.
Yeah.
They last, and the engines are pretty good built. Unlike the 911, you don't have the typical IMS bearing issues and a lot of the other issues that you have with the 4Ss, for instance.
So this is more of an entry level Porsche than if you're trying to get like into the Porsche game and you want something.
In 2005, basically the two cheapest Porsches you can buy were the Cayman, which is the cold version of the Boxster.
Okay.
And the Boxster. Nothing price-wise, nothing really close to a 911 of any type. So that is basically your way into a Porsche on a budget.
Okay. Huh. So there you guys have it. The Boxster S convertible top is a commonality as far as it failing, but Vladi gets it done, man. He's done a lot of work on my Mercedes for me, and he's always figuring out stuff. He helped me figure out some stuff on my Porsche 928, and he's very knowledgeable. So leave a comment, hit me up, let me know what you guys think. If you're looking to get some work done on your European car in the Phoenix area, or if you're anywhere near Phoenix or Scottsdale or Gilbert or Chandler, hit me up and I'll shoot you Vladi's information, or you can find a link in the description with his shop information, and man, he'll take care of you. Visit BigHerc916.com to pick up a limited edition GTA poster signed by me for $10, or with your purchase of a Wig Splitter Porsche t-shirt, I'll throw in a free poster. Popos are coming. I gotta hurry up and wash my ass. Go to BigHerc916.com, pick you up a bar of soap, and wash your ass, or else you're gonna be under arrest too. Oh,